Have you ever wondered what happens when a customer places an order like this? Here is a printing equipment that my customer, Ogun State customer, ordered, and he also ordered for machines. So today I'm taking you behind the scenes of what happened when a customer placed an order, of how we package goods for the customer for my customer satisfaction. So if you're coming across my video for the first time, my name is B Ward. On this channel we talk about everything related to nylon production, from the raw materials to the machineries, production process, and even teach you how to market your products. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do well to subscribe, like and share this very video, as it helps us grow our page, and equally you won't miss any updates from Viewer Nylon Production. So today I'm taking you behind the scenes of what we normally do each time a customer ordered from Viewer Nylon Production. Here is my printing equipment. A customer ordered for this printing equipment alongside with manual machines and nylon rolls. So I'm going to share with you today how I package this equipment, how I arrange it equipment for my customer satisfaction, and in a way it will be easy for my customer to start making use of them. So here are my printing equipment, the equipment I've got for my customer. Here with me is PVD printing board for printing. This is it. I'm going to package it now for my Ogun State customer. And here with me is dryer, brand new dryer that I bought for my customer for his printing. He's going to use it to be drying his work in this printing. That's why I get this dryer for him, brand new dryer. This is it. Let me show you. This is his brand new dryer. This is part of our equipment. It's part of our printing equipment. Whenever you order a printing equipment, all these things is what you are going to see inside. This dryer, printing board. Okay. So another one is his artwork. This is my Ogun State customer's artwork. His name is JP Jide Plastic. See, this is his artwork. I personally did this artwork for him so that it will make work smooth for him. I don't want my customers to stress himself as a beginner. I don't want him to stress himself. I just want everything to be easy until he learns the work and learn how it's open, because he's an online customer. If he's a physical person now, I will allow the person to be doing mistake as I'm there guiding the person personally. But this is my uh, online trainee, so I don't want him to overstress himself till he perfects everything. So this is artwork, so it will be easy for him to print on his nylon. Another one is his plain sheet. This is his plain sheet, nylon plain sheet. Remember I told you guys that we also distribute this thing to you, so you don't have to worry about anything. So this is the plain white. Remember, nothing is going to be hard for you once you are dealing with B-word. This is the machine we use in production of this thing. We blow it here with this extruder machine. So this is it. Let me bring it out. See the plain sheet. So it's part of his this thing. I use this blowing machine to blow it. So it's part of his order. Once you order for this printing equipment, all this thing is going to come along with it. So another thing is retarder. See, I got two. Once you order printing equipment from us, it's going to be two. See it, his ink. I bought two colored ink. You see it. This is ink that I'm giving. This one is Skuji. Skuji. See it. Cotton wool. His pin. This brand new pin. Emotion, sensitizer, scissors. This is my first set of mesh wool. As you can see, I've already constructed this one for him so that he will follow the same step. You understand? So that he will follow the same step and do the other ones with this net, with this mesh. Understand? So that he will follow the same step. That's why I just did this one for him. But when he receives his goods, we follow the same step. As I'm teaching him online, he's my online trainee. We follow the same step and do this one also. And join my online class, so that when I'm teaching him online, it will not be hard for him. He will not be confused because he's not there with me, because he's an online student. That's how I do my online I treat my online students. My online students, I make sure things are easy for them. Like as you can see, I have written them on all this equipment so that it will be easy for him. In V-Word Factory, we don't stress you, rather we give you peace of mind. This is his PVD printing board, his artwork, his dryer, everything is ready. So what is it that will make work hard for you in V-Word Nylon production? Nothing. Nothing will make work hard for you, even though you are learning online. So people, have gotten this message. Many people will be like, my online, I'm not okay with this online stuff. I'm not sure I can learn anything. I will be like, no, as long as you're learning from me, you're going to learn. Before you start practical class, I make sure you get your equipment as I'm doing it on my own, and you too, you are doing it too. You are with live video, everything. So it's going. What is it that will make the printing hard for this person? This person, I'm telling you, is a novice in nylon production, but when he met me, things become easy. Don't worry, watch this video from beginning to end, because at the end of this video you will see his reaction and his testimony. So now let's pack his this thing. Let's package his goods. This is the carton I'm going to use to package it. Okay, my emotion, ink, the two ink, retarder, again, sensitizer, tape, machine pin, squeegee, cotton wool, pin, cotton bud, mesh, dryer, brand new dryer just for you, the artwork, then the plain white. So we are going to cover this one first. We're going to cover it first. So now let's wrap the PVD board so that these drivers will not scratch it. To avoid scratch from the driver, see it, as you can see, it's very smooth and neat, and I don't want my customers to complain of anything. So I'm going to wrap it so that it will be easy and drivers will not scratch it, to avoid scratch. Oh yeah, now follow me, let's wrap. Jesus. So this is it. Once you order, it will come like this. This is printing equipment. Once you order, it will come like this. Printing equipment. See it, from V-Word to J Clean Nylon. This printing equipment. What are you still waiting for? To order printing equipment from V-Word Nylon Production Company. Not only printing equipment, machine equipment, all types of machine, both manual, automatic, punching machine. Do where to order from V1 Nylon Production. We always got your back.
So right now the goods are ready. As you can see, I'm already writing names on the goods, both his phone number, his address, and everything. He did not just order printing equipment, both machines, manual sealing machine, and manual cutting machine. As you can see, it's with nylon rows. So I'm arranging everything so that it will be easy for the well-being and everything, and equally making sure that everything is good. All right, food is ready. Our goose is very much ready to go, from V1 Nylon to J Clean Nylon. in Ogun State.
Now let's listen to the testimony of my Ogun State customer.
Yeah, thank you so much, V-Word. All the goods, all the items I ordered for, you guys sent it down here, and I was even scared when I wanted to do the transfer, but I am glad everything is here. You people are trustworthy. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You can't know how happy I am right now.
This is
Thank
the
you
end
so
of
much.
this very video. To my returning subscribers, I really, really appreciate you all. Thanks for always joining. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do where to subscribe as it helps us grow our page. And don't forget, we still offer physical and online classes. Thanks for always joining. See you in my next video. Bye.